Hindi ko na pwede mo. Gawa naman ng clay pala yun.
Afternoon po and welcome to Sugar Pottery and Mississippi Isabel. This workshop was set up in 2000 by artist Once it's centered, everything starts with a cylinder. To make a cylinder, I have to pull the clay from the bottom to the top gradually. I'm pulling the clay with both pressure from my left and right, going with the speed of the wheel to maintain the centerness. My hands should be the one controlling the clay, not the clay controlling my hands, to keep the shape for it not to collapse. Ito po ang basic shape. From here, you can make a jar, a bowl, or different shapes. Right now po, there's more pressure from my inside hand, pushing it out to widen. Here in the middle, pressure from my right, pushing it inwards to narrow down po. Then outwards at the top to make a flower vase. Pwede pang i-narrow down to enhance the shape if needed be. It makes it a little bit sexier. Pwedeng maging pichel, paglagyan ng nguso na ganyan. That's all I can do right now. I let it rest 5 days. After 5 days, we put the handle, trim the bottom, do anything that will enhance the beauty, then we dry it for 1 month, air dry lang po. Ilagay namin sa oven for 8 hours of firing, wait for it to cool down, we bring it out, then apply the glazes. Ang glaze po yung nagbibigay kulay at nagpapakintab, pero hindi lalabas sa pan-application. Kailangang iluto po ulit ng 8 to 10 hours of glaze firing para ma-finish. That's why they're safe for food containers. They're microwavable. The color doesn't fade. Who wants to try them? Now, walang pressure sa labas pag ganito yun. Huwag mong hindi na. I-hold mo ng relax, ma'am. Relax. Alisin mo ang kamay mo. Pag ganun. Relax lang, please. Hindi palakasan ng kamay to. Now, pull it apart to widen. Release and wet your hands again. I'll assist you at this point to make a cylinder, which is a basic shape. Relax your hands or fingers together. Yan. Gently and slowly. Huwag mong diinan. Slide mo lang po back yan. Slide mo lang. Walang pressure at all. Ako maglagay ng pressure sa kamay mo.
Parang na nagmamasyon.
One more time. Slide up. Until the tip. Huwag mong diinan, ma'am. Huwag diinan. Hold. Hold. Release your hands. That's the basic shape. The beginner shape is a bowl. To make a bowl, you push it from your left, support sa kanang kamay. Ganito.
Mamaya tuturo sa inyo paano
Flip
gumawa
your
ng building dyan, ha?
Push with the support, not with your fingertips. From the bottom, hindi, pag outwards. Look here. It's widening out. Maintain that pressure. Go up. Slide up. Push. Push. Until the tip. Lahat. 4 fingers. Ito po. Push outwards. Gently and slowly go up. Up. Not the fingertips. The wall of your fingers. Pag ganun lang. And clip your thumb. Wall. Slide. Slide. Hold. Hold. Release your hands like sige, wet your hands. So, push out. Hindi. Ganyan. Parang yan. Push mo. Widen. Yan. Very good. Slide up. Slide diretso lang packet. Maintain slowly ang pagkakyat. Slowly. Maintain your pressure. Maintain your speed until the tip. Until the tip. Hold. Hold. Release your hands. Good job. Wet your hands. Isa pa. Push outwards and upwards, please. Push. Slowly. Slowly ang pag-akyat. Hold it at the tip to balance. Release your hands.
Alam mo na magiging bagong negosyo nyo.
Wet your hands. Assist kita dito para makita mo. Flip your hand. Gently and slowly. Outwards. Slide. Slide. Hold it at the tip to balance. Yan, may ramen bowl ka na, ma'am. Release your hands. Ganito. Ito ang mag-push, hindi po. Clip mo. Hold it there. Push. Slide. Slide. Hold it at the tip to balance. Release your hands.
Okay lang, bilhin niyo mo.
Meron namin yung gusto rin.
Meron ka ng ramen bowl. Flat hands, photo with your mask. Flat hands, flat, flat. Ulit apart. Pwede niyong bilhin ipadala ko after 4 months. Parang lahat ng may pangalan dyan, makapersonalize siya. Widen, widen. Sige po. Widen. Release your hands. Wet your hands again. Don't touch. Kasi at this point, dito sa unahan, clip your thumb. Straight. Clip your thumb. Yan. Gently and slowly slide up. Slide up po. Until one more time. Gently and slowly. Huwag mong ilalabas yung mouth. Same thing. Slide your hands up po. Until hold. 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 Now, like mommy, widen it into a bowl by pushing from your left. Support mo sa kanang kama ay kahit left, straight. Flip your thumb. Push with this part, not together. Dito yung fingertips lahat. From the bottom, out. Maintain that pressure. Slide up slowly. Hindi yung fingertips, ma'am. Huwag mong ilalabas yung thumb. Up. 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 Not the fingertips. Yung ganun. Up. Pag ganun po, hindi pa ganun. Yan. Very good. Slide it up. Slide. Hold. Hold. Release. Spread your hands. Sa pa longer sa baba. Outward, same thing. Tapos lawakan mo para magkasya ang ramen. Outwards. Push pa. Yan. Yun dyan. Slide up. Until the tip. Hold it at the top. Wet your hands. the top to balance. Release. Yan lang. Yan, itong sinigang ka. Ngayon, yes, kita to make a cylinder which is a basic shape. Slide mo lang po paakyat. One more time, gently and slowly. Dahan-dahan paakyat until the tip. Hold it at the top. Release your hands. Ngayon, yan ang basic shape. Diba gagawa ka ng vase? So, anong shape ng vase ang gusto mo? So, malawak sa baba, and then narrow down sa middle, and then outward sa top. Yun ba ang gusto mo?
Yes.
Ngayon, para lumawak siya, itulak mo sa loob. Always left hand. Pag palawak, left ang mag-push. Pag pa-narrow down, right ang mag-push. And then, sa top, left ulit ang mag-push. So, widen it at the bottom. Walang pressure sa left, right. Left ang mag-push. Out and slide up. Slide up. Okay, hold it there in the middle. Hold. Release. Release yung left. Now, right ang mag-push para mag-narrow
Ay,
down
left
sa
pala to,
middle,
right
diba?
na.
Walang pressure sa left, right ang mag-push. Hindi, sa middle ka. Sa middle ka. Right ang magpupush. Ito ang left mo eh. Magpupush to. Ito ang right, magpupush to narrow down. Walang pressure sa left. And then, slide up and push it sa top to widen. Ganyan ba? Pwede mo pang i-widen dito.
Section mo yung gitna pa na.
The reason why bowl ang beginner shape is para yung
Right mo ka
makita nyo yung reaction ng clay sa pressure ng kamay for beginner shape. Ngayon, if you notice, sige, i-widen mo pa ng konti dito kasi may clay. Outwards gently. Yan. Yan. And then hold it there. Alisin mo yung left mo. Right naman po ang magpupush sa labas. Sa labas ng walang pressure sa left. Walang pressure to. Yan. Pero support mo dyan. Tulak mo paloob para mag-sexy siya. Paloob. Paloob. Slide up. Slide. Slide. Release your hands. I-hold mo sa tip. I-hold mo sa tip to balance. Alis, huwag mong ipipilantik yung isa. 4 fingers. 4 fingers. I-hold mo dito para to balance. Hold mo siya para maalis ng konti yung gewang niya. Alisin ko lang yung tubig sa loob kasi pag naiwan yun doon at mag-sip through, wet your hands. Choke mo siya para mag-sexy sa middle. Dito ka sa labas mo. Choke. Ganito. Gently and slowly. Itulong mo to. Punta mo doon. Yan. Slow and gentle. Slowly lang. Don't choke too much. Yan. Sige, squeeze mo lang ng konti. Slow, very, very slow. Para hindi siya masira. Release your hands.
Yung parang hindi lang makahinga pag sinok mo.
Ate, pwede ba?
Okay na ba yan?
Mag-try po.
Gaano ka? Ay, hindi. Makahabang ka rin. Papasok lahat. Pero kung gusto mong i-try na
Iiwas mo naman. Ito naman gagamitin ko. Ito, pasok mo naman. Doy, go, try mo, Doy.
flat hands.
Go,
Hold.
Ay, what?